So this is my 6-month post-op video. I'm sorry that I didn't update quite as often, but I'll give you a quick review of what has gone on. Once my cast was taken off, I was put into a restricted brace. I had that on for a month and a half. After that, I had to start rehabbing with 1-pound dumbbells and work my way up. I got through that pretty quickly. I went from 1 to 5 to 10 to 15 to 30 quickly within a month or two. 4 months out of surgery, I was doing pull-ups. I was bench pressing with 40, 50 pounds. 5 months out, I was bench pressing with 90 pounds, doing 40 consecutive pull-ups. Yesterday, I rode with bent over row with a 120-pound dumbbell. Right now, I'm benching 100-pound dumbbells for reps. The biggest discomfort wasn't actually the bicep itself, but it was my forearm. I had to work a lot on just stretching it out, massaging it. I actually still do that. I got some acupuncture needles and pushed them into my my arm, and that actually helped a lot too. Stretching is huge, makes all the difference in the world for discomfort, and makes life a lot easier. I'm about 90% now. Have most of my strength back, but I still can feel that this isn't what it was. In rehabbing, what I did was focus on compound movement, pulling, pushing, squat movements, just to incorporate the entire body and not put too much strain directly on the attachment. Also, I was in the gym the day after surgery. I was doing lunges, jump squats, whatever I could to keep moving, and that actually helped immensely in my rehab. This is actually, believe it or not, been a really good experience because it reminded me how nice it is to be able to have strength, and it's a privilege. It's something that I took for granted. So yeah, better.